What's up, everybody? I just want to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by Form Fit Body Analyzer Scale. Use code Tehran60 for 60% off. That is Tehran60 for 60% off. Don't miss the chance to get this deal. This scale is great. Get it now.
I will be starting the challenge of 10 pounds down in 24 hours. What up? Welcome back to part 2 of the video. So this is still the same day. It is 9/23 of November 6th, and we are about to do pretty much volume just deplete. Anything I've had to eat from any other days before. I actually did have a salad today, bomb. So I had a salad today and a little bit of chicken, small amount of chicken at the end of the day, because I want to really just kind of have something in my stomach, some energy to really push out everything today, the end of this day, which is my last workout for the day, and tomorrow morning, which will be like conditioning work or running sprints. And I planned on waking up. My goal is to continue to drink water, to wake up 227 or 228, around that, 227, 228, unclothed, and that's the goal. So everything today will be like high reps, between like 12 to 15 reps for everything. So we're just gonna kind of hit, like pull up the body a little bit, and that's it. Wide grip. Now we're going close grip, neutral grip, close neutral grip. Same movement, pull downs for about sets of same. Everything's gonna be about 3 or 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Everything today. Still got a few more movements to do. But once again, just like earlier, 30 minutes of cardio after. Then it's 30 minutes or 300 calories. If you hit 300 calories before 30 minutes, then you're done. That's the main goal. It was like every 10 minutes, 100 calories. So if you want more of a steadier pace, then the 30 minutes will probably get to that 300. But if you want to kind of just, focus on a calorie to really push yourself before the time limit, then hit that 300. Feeling good. Even off of, I said I wasn't gonna eat, but even off that salad and 2 like chicken pieces of chicken that I had, I feel great. I'm confident in the morning that I'll definitely be at least 4 to 5 pounds down, especially after my cardio. I'm consistently drinking water. I've been drinking water all day, been pissing all day. Took like 2 shits. That's about it. So, we got some weigh-ins. You need to get down a couple pounds quickly. Should try this out. And then I still got 12 hours left. I still got more than 12 hours left. So when I wake up in the morning, I could wake up in the morning and still get 2 exercises in before 11:30. So we'll probably just get 1 in and just really just deplete ourselves from everything and do some sauna, some cardio again, and then call it a day. Yo, if you mess with the Prodigy, yo, the UK band, not like Prodigy the rapper, like Prodigy, the UK band. They just dropped a new album like yesterday. That joint is sick. Point A to point B, C, D, F, blah, blah, blah. I think I said the alphabet wrong. Prodigy is like my favorite workout music. Point blank. The Prodigy. All right, 20 reps, 3 sets. Lockouts. Take a little bit of tension off those elbows. I want your elbows to hurt. $7:41. So I got clothes on right now, so let's take about a pound off. Once again, Form Fit Body Analyzer, weight scale that calculates bone density, water weight, fat, and your weight in muscle mass. So about like 228, 290, 220, what is it? It says 220, 229.4. Clothes, take like 1 pound out, so 228.4. 22 pounds of fat, to 22.9, sorry, percentage of fat, 10.2 bone density, 42.0 muscle, and 56.3 water. So, getting my last 2 workouts in right now. 6 feet, 26 years old. Ending my night with a little bit of cardio. I actually didn't finish cardio fully last night, like I was supposed to, because I was supposed to come back home and ride the bike, but my headphones died, so I didn't even do cardio. So what I'm about to do right now is make up for that. I'm about to go work out. I was only going to do an outside workout, but we're going to do a weight room workout, and we're going to go outside, no conditioning workout, just like the good old football days in the morning, and then I'm going to finish it off again with cardio, on top of the cardio. 4 more pounds to go.
When I was a little boy, I wanted to be a hero.
The truth is, when you get older, sometimes things don't always turn out the way you hope they would. So you gotta do what you gotta do. Handle that business. Believe in yourself. Create your own destiny.
My name is Jeff. It's Jefe, man.